Well, it's another great day at Colorado. I'm Greg Budwine with LEDOM'S, and I just want to say thank you for joining us today. It's really cool that we have a 25th anniversary at LEDOM'S Performance Equipment and Diesel Repair. It's not often that business owners get to stay in business that long, number one, and number two, stay in a community that long. And we today just want to say thank you. We're humbled, we're thankful, we're grateful, and we just want to say to all of our customers and our whole community that we thank you very much for the best 25 years of our life.
They have absolutely taken care of every one of my vehicles. They've taken care of me. They've taken care of my wife, my kids, literally one vehicle at a time.
Well, the 25th anniversary, Greg Budwine, my business partner, started this 25 years ago. And him and I partnered up, I don't know, I think it's been 16 or 17 years ago. So I had a little company downtown and he had Performance Plus, and we partnered up, and then about a year or 2 years later we merged the two companies together, and that's where the name LEDOM'S Performance Equipment and Diesel Repair comes from.
Stockman's Bank is the proud bank of LEDOM'S and the Budwine family. I personally, as a customer, have brought anything you can imagine for repair: vet trucks, semis, Suburbans, you name it. To everyone at LEDOM'S, we congratulate you on 25 years. Larry, Greg, Patty, Tracy, Monty, congratulations.
In those 25 years, I also have to recognize some pretty big people in my life. And one of those was a boss that I had while I was working at Ford. It was over 30 years ago. Best boss I ever had. And I was 22 years old, and he told me someday I was gonna be unbelievable. And you'll see him in an interview somewhere, I'm assuming, but Tom Mullen was a life changer to me, and always will be, and always has been. He's one of those guys that just lifts you up when you're down, and he's one of those guys that carry you if you need it. And when I was young, I needed a lot of that. Wouldn't we, Tom?
Yeah. Met Greg through Ford because he was going to school at Ford to become a mechanic, and I got a hold of him and wanted to interview him, and did, and hired him on the spot. He was excited and wanted to excel. He wanted to make money. His wife Patty was with him, and she was very impressive also. Here's a couple of youngsters that are married that basically was living in a tent. They wanted to do better for themselves, and of course they did.
Originally we wasn't going to merge. He was just going to be a partner of mine in LEDOM'S Fabrication. And then he was passing some ideas to me about how I could improve my company, and I was passing ideas on how he could improve his, and we decided we just need to hook them together, and we'll just do it together and make it one company.
I'm a customer of LEDOM'S, but if it wasn't for LEDOM'S, I wouldn't have a business. They take care of everything, my trucks, my family's vehicles. I wouldn't be able to operate if it wasn't for LEDOM'S.
The second best part of our 25-year anniversary is my business partner, Mr. Larry LEDOM. That guy is an artist of artists. He can build anything. His mind is unbelievable, and it has been the greatest ride on earth to call him my business partner, my friend, and family.
I've been in the truck equipment business basically since 1975. It was my gift from God to be able to do what I do. And part of what my true passion is art. You know, I've got my shop here that I do all my metal art in. I've been doing art since I was a little kid. But I took truck equipment and turned it into an art form. And my reputation was miles ahead of anybody else, if that makes sense. And I'm not patting myself on the back, it's just true fact that I believe that if you go into something and you turn it into an art form, your future is not determined by anybody else but yourself.
I was 34 years old, a single mom. My husband had just passed away, and I had an older car, and my husband used to work on it. Took my Montero Sport down to LEDOM'S, and they took care of my oil changes and just always made sure my car was running and doing really well. They just took really good care of me.
We currently today at LEDOM'S at 25 years old have a team that in my opinion is unbelievable and unstoppable. We've grown as a team, we've done things as a team, we continue to work as a team.
We got a good team. It's like the old saying says, you know, your company's only as good as the people that work for it.
I've learned a lot here. I started out just doing truck equipment, basic repairs, and now I'm the equipment shop foreman. I got a really great crew. Everybody knows what they're doing. We've got some really great customers that come in.
I love working here. Been here since 20. Yeah, it's a good place to work. It's family oriented. Everybody takes care of everybody.
We got people that have helped us do things that are unimaginable as business owners. And I can't thank them all, but I am very humbled to be here today at 25 years and say thank you for allowing us to do what we do. It is hard to believe that in all of the mayhem of owning a business and being in a community that I'm still married, been married for 32 years. We still have a business going strong and we still have teammates that love what they do. And in that realm, you cannot argue that is pretty cool. So for me, Greg Budwine, I want to thank Colorado Springs, El Paso County, and the great state of Colorado for allowing us to do what we do, and that's people serving people, one truck at a time.